Good evening, viewers. I'm Abigail Karmalem, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco institutions at Varanglal and Ravulapalim of the Salesian province of Hyderabad, India, with assistance from Bosco Seva Kendra (BSK), are reaching to the people who have been severely affected due to the rains, especially in Varanglal district, which includes Hanumakonda, Kazipet and Varanglal towns. The Salesian communities, which have been in existence for the past 25 years in Varanglal and East Godavari districts, are engaged in the relief work for 1,000 flood victims and their families. The Don Bosco South Asia Vocational Coordinators Google Meet was held on 13 August 2020 from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Father Gabriel Karunaraj, South Asia Vocational Guidance Coordinator, coordinated the proceedings with 18 Salesians from across South Asia to reflect on fostering vocational culture, process of understanding and animating vocational guidance. During June, July and August, the young people of the Antilles, Netherlands carried out the traditional youth summer camp differently this year, having to adapt to the reality of COVID-19 that we are experiencing. The young people went online to create what they have called Operation Valdoco. Last 16 August, the day of the 205th anniversary of Don Bosco's birth, the Salesians of Salvador de Bahia wanted to celebrate and pay homage to our founder with a true demonstration of faith and charity. This year, in respect of social distancing, a carrieta, a procession of cars, was organized to celebrate the father, teacher and friend of the youth. Salesian Conference of Zambia work with the most disadvantaged young people in the Makulu slums. They are present alongside the young people who were rejected by their parents and family members by supporting them and caring for them, providing them food and lodging. The Salesians are giving them some trade to overcome depression and boredom. Yanni Arendt SDB and Kovers Sander SDB made their perpetual profession on 15 August 2020 in the parish of St. Michael in the city of Nyagaisuifaru, Hungary. Father Andres Falvi Janos SDB, provincial of the Salesian province of Hungary, was the main celebrant and received the perpetual vows of the two Salesians. Yanni Arendt made his religious profession as a Salesian brother following in the footsteps of Blessed Stephen Sander. The perpetual profession took place for the first time in the parish, which celebrates the 300th year of its foundation. The Salesians took over the parish from 1st August 2020. On 19 August 2020, the Maria Assumption Province AFC welcomed Father Alphonse Awodu, Councillor for the Africa-Madagascar region. It was a visit that expresses his missionary closeness to the whole Salesian family of the AFC province. The collaborators and conferees who welcomed him expressed their joyful welcome with a song in Swahili. At the end, Father Alphonse addressed a word of thanks to all present. The formation of the Preshov past pupils of Don Bosco Center began 5 years ago in 2015 at the meeting of the Educative Pastoral Community Oratory Youth Center. The Salesians in Preshov briefly explained who past pupils were, and coincidentally, after a few days, the Salesians contacted the Slovak headquarters of the past pupils of Don Bosco, and in February 2016, followed by a meeting with Mr. Peter Kovac, Secretary of the World Confederation President, several other meetings, including the Secretariat of our association with representatives of the other centers, presenting the mission of the past pupils, social projects, business platform were held. After these conversations and enthusiasm rose from the creation of local past pupils union in Preshov, and finally they found a place among other components of the Salesian family operating in Preshov. Currently, there are 69 members who have joined the association. The Salesians of Philippines North FIN province had its first quarterly recollection for this formation year. The talk was preached by Bishop Broderick Pabello, Apostolic Administrator of the Archdiocese of Manila, through a pre-recorded video. Organized by the Commission on Formation CFORM, the conferees from their respective settings simultaneously listened to Bishop Pabello. That is all for today. Wishing you a pleasant evening. I, Abigail, signing off. See you tomorrow at the same time in the same channel.